Hi, y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and I'm back for 100 days of Halloween 2023. That's a hashtag. So, I would just like to talk about I link everybody that's participating down below. Heather has yet to make a video, but she did tell me she was going to, and so therefore I had added her earlier than she joined in, but that's okay. And you can join in whenever, and I'll add your name. That'd be great. But let me tell you, Darla from It's in the Bag Crochet with Darla is doing a graph gan with the haunted house. Oh my, I cannot wait to see that finished. And then Mama G Gear is dyeing yarn, which I think is freaking cool. Ray, you've got to go over and watch Ray from Ray's Yarn Addiction and see who she's making. She's making a Halloween character. So you just really got to, everybody down there, go check out their squares. They're all making something cool. They're all talking about interesting stuff. And yeah, so please go check out the ones that are participating down below. I keep forgetting I tell you they're down there, but I just want to tell you there's some amazing ladies that are super talented. Okay, now some of them haven't made a video yet, and then Ella from No Catchy Name, she keeps adding to this blanket that she actually started with another crochet along I did a couple years ago, and it's just getting so big, and it is a freaking cool blanket. Excuse me. Heather hasn't made a video yet, and Melody's Cozy Crochet, she just hasn't made one. She's made one, but it's been a little while, and you don't have to be consistent. You don't have to do every single day. You can join in on the day before Halloween. There is no set rules. This is to have fun, make spooky stuff, talk about spooky things. Let's have fun. It's my way of counting down to Halloween and my podiversary, and I wanted friends to join in. So that's kind of it. Halloween will get more. Halloween is going to be exciting. Like, I'm going to try to make, October. All October's Halloween. But I'm going to try to make October real exciting. So these may not be as exciting, but I'm going to try really hard for Halloween. Okay, enough of that. If I keep burping, I apologize. We just ate, and I want to get this video done before he, takes a nap for work. And maybe I take a nap just because. Anyway, there will be a couple photos at the end. One of them is my make. Well, there'll be three photos. One will be my make for the movie Marquee, which is hosted by Heather, the Crochet Witch, Bella from Bella's Crochet Gifts, and Samantha from Amethyst Craftworks. I will link all them down below also, but it is I made a shawl, and the movie, another picture will be the movie poster that I pulled the colors for the shawl from, which I didn't really pull the colors because I didn't have to, I used just a cake and a half of mandala in the color fairy, because the colors were perfect for that movie poster. I happen to have a couple in my stash. I'm trying not to buy extra yarn unless I just, if it's Halloween yarn or I need it for something. And I spotted those up in my cubby because I have yarn behind me, but I have yarn over here too. And so yeah, I saw it up there and I was like, perfect. Yes, I can use up some yarn. And it's something warm that I can use for my donations. So it's a shawl. It already has a home. It's going to a lady with cancer that lives here. I had posted it on Facebook and said I made this for donations. She asked if she could have it, and I said yes, she could. So she's going to pick it up Tuesday. I love it when my stuff ends up with a very good, happy home. So, yeah. And then the other picture will be of a poncho I made. Do you remember I told you that Bella from Bella's Crochet Gifts, like I said, should be linked below, had sent me some yarn, some big twist value, and it was rainbow bright. Well, I couldn't wait to use it, and so I made me a poncho. So the picture will be me with the poncho on. The pattern or tutorials by Aged Joe Asia Joy, I think is her name. I will try to remember to find the tutorial and link it down below. Great pattern. I love it. I am in love with it. I'm calling it my Happy Bella Poncho because Bella sent me the yarn and it makes me happy because it's all bright colors. So there's those. That's what those pictures are. And there might be a little blooper at the end too. I started out this video funny. So anyway, so just stay after I say goodbye. There'll be a few things. So we watched Carrie. Now I did not realize this was a made-for-TV movie, but it was 2002 on Pluto. I liked it, except for the end. I felt like the end was drug way too long out. Like, after a while, it was just redundant. Like, we get the idea. They could have got to where they were and cut out, because that movie was 2 hours and what, babe?
2 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah, 2 hours and 30 minutes. They could have cut some of that out. Like, all of it was really good up until the end. And LJ agreed with me. Like, the end got drug out. Before that, kept my attention. I stayed engaged. It was a good version of the movie, of the book or the movie. I don't know if it was based on the book or the movie. Anyway, it was a good version until the end. And then it was just too drug out. I enjoyed it. I like watching multiple versions, especially if, like, I've watched the original a few times and then, yes. So, I enjoyed it. If you watched it, let me know what you thought of it. What did you think, babe?
I liked it. I did prefer the original better because it's just, it was a lot meaner. But also, like, this movie, for being PG-13, it was mean enough. But also, it held my attention because it didn't waste any scenes until the end. Then it dragged everything out. But it's really good.
Yeah, at the end it drags out. But I thought it was very good. So, I thought we'd carry on with this. Carry on with this Carrie theme. And we're going to watch the 2013 Carrie, which is on Pluto. So put it in the search bar. Carrie 2013. That's the movie we're watching tonight because I've not watched that one. So now I get to compare the original, the movie, the TV movie, and now the remake. And so I can't, all three of them. That'll be a nice little samples for me because I like that kind of stuff. So I'm excited for that. Now, I don't believe I have anything else for you as far as facts or anything. Sorry about that. But I do have the extra pictures and I gave you the story. Now, as far as the blanket, I'm not going to start another big project until I get this done. I got the shawl done, the poncho done. I want to finish the blanket, and then I'll move on to another big project to work on during the 100 days. But, let's see if, I hope I remembered to move my thing yesterday. Let's see, where is it? Did I take it off and not put it back on? Oh no, what did I do? Surely I put it back on. I don't see it.
What color was it? Because I saw something over here.
It was a little orange. It was a little pumpkin
stitch
marker. Oh, yeah, there. Okay. Why is that looking a little... Well, it's looking a little crooked, but this is my blanket, so if it's a little crooked, it's fine. But I got from here to here done. But I put a little extra time into it because I really wanted to start decreasing. I wanted to see. So, yeah. So now we will move it up. And we shall see how much I get done this time. So, yeah. Now I'm going to have to move it. Well, anyway, that's the way it is for right now. There you go. I'm loving it. Oh my gosh, y'all. I just can't get enough of this blanket. Like, the colors are just, I love it. And it sparkles so much. I love the sparkle. I have someone sending me some sparkly black yarn. I had two people, well, one's going to look for it, but Darla from It's in the Bag with Darla. It's in the bag, Crochet with Darla. Is going to send me some that hopefully will finish out the blanket, because I know that skein that I have left is not going to. And so, but I love how much it sparkles, because in case you didn't know, I do like Halloween colors and stuff, but I do like my sparkle too. So a sparkly Halloween blanket is a win, 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 win. So there's that. And now, do you remember the yarn that Bridget sent me that she had made? It's spun and dyed. Well, I'm not going to tell y'all what it is. I'm going to let y'all just watch the progress and see it grow into what it's going to be. Whoops. I made a yarn. Not. But here's it so far. These colors are working up so pretty, and I absolutely love it, and I'm excited. I mean, I know what I'm working on, but I still don't know what it's going to look like. Yeah, done up. So I'm excited to see what it grows up to be also. So there's that. LJ did his video for his questions, so I will link that video down below, so it'll make it easier for you to go watch it if you want to.
Yeah.
And I think I'm going to end it so that he and I can maybe chill for a little bit before he's got to take a nap, and I can get this video put up. We'll put together and put up. And then tomorrow I'll be back with 100 Days of Halloween again. So there you go. But enjoy the photos at the end. And I haven't gotten any photos from anybody recently that's worked on anything. But when they do, I will let you know, and they will be in the video. But for now, it's just my photos and a little blooper. And I will try to remember to link everybody that I mentioned down below, and then everybody that's participating. I love y'all, and stay spooky. Hi y'all, I'm back for $100 cut.